It's exam day, and Gene's heart is racing. He freezes, 4 choices, no clue. Then he remembers College Help AI. 1 click, then screenshot, and it gets the correct answer. Just highlight the question, and in a blink, the correct answer, no more guessing. Ace your next exam. Install new College Help AI and get free credits forever. Here's what makes College Help AI your all-in-one study sidekick. Screenshot questions, drag a box around any problem, beautifully formatted answer drops in instantly. Right-click assistance, highlight any text, choose Ask College Help AI, and watch confusion vanish on the spot. Multiple languages, from English to Espanol to get clear, natural-sounding help in the language you think in. Code and math support, flawless syntax, step-by-step proofs, copy-ready solutions for every programming or calculus hurdle. Ghost mode, answers stay invisible until you hover, so you can share screens without giving away the goods. Instant response, no spinning wheels, just answers at the speed of thought, so momentum never slips.